It is a group of instructions that usually performs one task. So we can tell it is exactly similar as functions in our C or Java programming. Even we can call our functions as it is a procedure. The advantage of procedures is this saves memory space. Now this is the reason why it saves some memory spaces of the computer, since it is reusable section. So that is stored in memory once. If we write our procedure once and we store it in our memory of the computer, we don't need it to write again. So it is used as again and again, like it has reusability property like functions. So you can call your procedures any number of times into your program. That is code section. See, here we have the disadvantage of procedure, that it takes little more time. Why it takes little more time? Because it has to do some stack operations. When we call a function in even in C programming or Java programming, it has to do some stack operation. I don't want to go into further detail. It will take a lot of time. So due to stack operations, it takes little more time. In previous videos, I have talked about macros in 8086. The benefit of macros is once you use macro, or whenever you use macro into your program, it exactly copy and paste the code from where you have defined it. Like where in other file, if you have saved the macro, that code is exactly copied and pasted whenever you call your macro. So disadvantage of macro is it takes more memory space, because again and again the same code will be copied. That's why it will take more memory in the computer. But procedure, it takes less memory. So this is the advantage of procedure. But disadvantage is it is taking little more time compared to macro. We have two instructions associated with procedures. One is call instruction, other is return instruction, that we'll see in syntax of the procedure. Here we have general syntax of declaration of procedure. See here, name procedure. Name is variable. Name is the name of your procedure. You can define here, like in function we have int add, add function, or anything. For anything, if you write the functions, we define the name, function name. It is similar as function name. It is, so here it is procedure name. Name PROC. This PROC is a keyword, so it is not a variable. You cannot change it. You have to write PROC for declaring your procedure. This is your definition section. Till here you can write your code. Whatever you want to define inside your procedure, you can write here. Now we have return a statement. Once we use procedure, we use call a statement in our program. Example is call name of your procedure, like call add. That time the address is passed to the procedure. So to return to your actual address, that is program code segment address, we use return a statement. So it directly returns to your program segment. Now that is code segment. Now this is name int p. Name is again your name of the procedure. Int p is we are directing our compiler that our procedure ends here. So name PROC and int p are compiler directives. So they are keyword, you can't change it. The general mistakes that students generally do is they do not add